Every ISV that we all work with is implementing AI into their applications, and you're going to end up using them. You're going to end up using those features and really benefiting from having the AI acceleration that's in all the hardware we make.
Right, and even in the entry space, right? We're actually, with our integrated graphics, we're delivering ISV certifications, right? With our professional graphics drivers to actually drive more stability and additional performance for ISV applications in AEC and media entertainment.
A lot of the ISV applications are now going to be offloading it to your local compute. We've got about 100 plus AI applications running today, which are accelerated by GPUs, really helping with that total end-to-end performance within your precision workstations.
And at Dell, we take this a step further beyond those applications that are coming from ISVs. It's developing your own AI. And for that, we have the Dell AI Factory, and that includes the Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA.